Hey guys, how are you? So we have some new drippings or leaks about the Samsung Galaxy F, the foldable phone by Samsung, and I'm gonna discuss them in this video. So we all know that Samsung's upcoming Galaxy F is getting a lot of attention for being a game-changing device in the smartphone industry. The latest rumor comes from ET News when an industry source in South Korea claims that Samsung is going to supply triple camera modules to be used in the upcoming foldable smartphone. The triple camera module is expected to be similar to the one on the upcoming Galaxy S10 Plus, according to the report, and is rumored to be announced sometime in March. It is rumored to combine a dual camera with a third super wide camera. A similar setup is found on the Galaxy A7. Well, obviously, the sensors that will be used in the Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy F will be high end and will be placed on the rear of the device. The Galaxy F is set to be released sometime around or after the Galaxy S10 and is rumored to ship with the latest version of Bixby 3.0. The foldable phone is said to have a 4.6-inch exterior display and a larger 7.3-inch display when unfolded. We don't know much about the Galaxy F for now, but Samsung is expected to offer another demo of the Galaxy F in MWC 2019. But until then, we don't know much about this device other than it will likely feature 5G connectivity and will be extremely expensive. Okay guys, that's all for today. Please watch my other videos as I have talked about many new technologies and smartphones. And also, if you like my channel, you can consider subscribing and turn on the bell notifications to get notified about my future videos. Also, if you have any questions about any topic shown in this video or any of my other videos, you can ask me in the comment section below. I will show you how to answer them. But for now, let's call it a day.